That means it's a good time. Oh!
Believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, poor pot Jesus, that anything really can go so. And as I told you before, with the pastor church mix-up right you know. But yo, you remember that can you believe it? What would they do when the pastor tell the church to them to stop go on Facebook? You remember it? Whenever they do it, Ruthie said we never do it, but it, yeah, well, this is obviously a follow-up, but we think we do it. But alright, let me go and look at background. The pastor you going to tell the congregation to them to stop. He might ban them from Facebook. Well, in ban, or they go root, in ban about 50 members of the leadership of the church. Can say Facebook can lead to infidelity, right? And for those of you who don't know, you know, and for Facebookites, don't start to, well, but who wouldn't know what Facebook is, okay? Don't assume, okay? You have a lot of older people, for a lot of my older listeners, them don't know what about computer and internet and them something and thing. You see it? But anyway, Facebook is a social networking site. It's a virtual community. It's a place where, how much people are on Facebook? Nah, man, I'm more than that, man. It's over 500 million, I want to you, Ruth. Yeah, man, it's over 500 million people up on Facebook. Again, 500 million people. And the basic concept behind Facebook is that people meet people and chat and, you know, you have a good time, or you discuss your problems, or you share this and that and whatever. But the pastor, you tell him church, say, listen now, him want the church for leg of Facebook. So him ban about 50 couple, you know, in the leadership, and then tell the rest of the church, say, them follow it, you know, because him say about 20 odd people be a problem reacher and thing. So the people that moved him and say, why you said that and Ray, and him, you know, him explain, and I said, no. Yeah, 500 million, yeah. You remember, in the movie, The Social Network, it said, you don't get 500 million friends without making some enemies, something like that. That's a tagline. So it is 500 million. But anyway, so I moved to the pastor and I asked the pastor, I said, yo, how we have against Facebook and Ray? I like the pastor, I said, no, Facebook no good for relationship or big things go on. Because hear what I'm saying now. Him say, the people who in my council are only for marriage mashup. And that him saying now. But hear the mix up, you know. Hear what them find out about the pastor. When we tell us that the topic is this week. Pastor church mix-up. Hear this. Pastor who said Facebook was portal to infidelity had 4-way relationship. Pastor who said Facebook was, quote, a portal to infidelity, end quote, had 4-way relationship. This is going up in New Jersey, you know. Big up the New Jersey ladies, Jella. Saying, big up Lishan, big up Dana, big up all of the New Jersey linky them, saying, big up all of my linky them over Patterson, New Jersey, who lock into the thing. Make her read the mix-up. A pastor who ordered his congregation to shun Facebook because it was a portal to infidelity had a 4-way relationship with his wife, a male church assistant, and the assistant's wife. It has emerged. Reverend Cedric Miller testified that his wife had an affair with the assistant and that he and the man's wife were often present at their meeting. Hey, you put it? His wife had an affair with the assistant. And that he and the man's wife, the assistant wife, were present when his wife was having an affair with the assistant. Chris Cross, when you hear that, what that sound like to you? Turn on Chris Cross microphone.
The pastor wife have an affair with his assistant?
Yeah, male assistant. But him say, Hear him phrase it, you know. My wife had an affair with the assistant, the male assistant. And while my wife was having an affair with the male assistant, I was present with the man's wife. No, what? I'll show you them pastor amount, them pastor amount, they're sweet, you know. And if you don't listen here, when him phrase it that way, how it sound, how you think him want it sound to?
Well, it sound like some swing things that going on.
No, but it don't sound like him and say, the wife did not do the things them. Yeah. But him and the man wife they just present. Him and say femme wife did not do the things them with the man. But like him and the man wife they just present. Make we go and read the rest I make sure you them people are original. That's why sometimes I tell you all a while, you know, see the bossy people them. When you see the bossy people them, listen to me now. You see, as far as they concerned, the thing did not happen if you never see it. And right here in Jamaica, you have a slight variation to it. The thing did not happen if you cannot prove it in court. You listen to them bossy people out there. It did not happen. There are certain things unfolding right now in the media on the scene. Me not say nothing because I don't want nobody come back to me down. But if you pay attention to what go on, that's why I tell people, you know, I laugh over here like a damn idiot and kick and skin up my teeth, you know, because I'm going like them take people for fool. You understand? You know what your bossy people work. Right? If you cannot prove it in court, it did not happen. All these moral things put aside and whatever this and that. And the same people them while I take it on a show you will defend them too and shut them out when they go on them things. Make us finish read the Mixup. The pastor last week told 50 married church officials to delete their accounts with the social networking site or resign. That him saying no. 50 married church officials, the man said, delete the Facebook account, and if you don't delete the Facebook, resign from the posting at the church. So I take it deep here. He claimed that 20 couples from his 1,100 member church had experienced marital problems in recent months after contacting ex-partners through the site. But over the weekend, the local newspaper disclosed that he did not need Facebook to be part of an extramarital affair. It found transcripts from a criminal trial against the church assistant in 2003, in which details emerged of what the pastor has since called a very painful part of my past. We're going to get back to that and show you say I lie master right. In the case, which was eventually dismissed, he testified that his wife had an affair with the assistant and that he and the man's wife were often present at their meetings. You hear him put it again. His wife had an affair with the assistant and him and the man's wife were present. Asked by a lawyer whether he was talking about sex, Reverend Miller replied, yes. He described their behavior as beyond what was appropriate. Only hear the bossy term what them use and whatever. Anyhow we use them term upon the show, yeah, them do have no problem with it, you know. The people them that said, no, well, he's a welcome addition to Nationwide, man. He knows the language and so forth. You know, them I tell you what, you hear the man say, beyond what was appropriate. Now Reverend Miller told the court that the meetings between the couples, listen to this, listen to part of the article done. Reverend Miller told the court that the meetings between the couples often took place after Thursday Bible study sessions and after church services on Sundays. Jesus Christ, Master God, if you don't busy, come down here and get busy. Yeah. Reverend Miller told the court that the meetings between the couples often took place after Thursday Bible study sessions and after church services on Sundays. Listen why them people are not gonna like we. You hear one boy boss up the thing after them in a foursome. Pastor in a foursome. After third, you see, you laugh now. You know you never laughed before. You know why you never laughed before? Because them a boss you up the thing and you not get the real impact. But when we keep it real and we tell them what it is and thing, you laugh. Because, and that is why some of the nastiness them out they don't like here when Raga talk. Because it's a dirty hypocrite passing this, we not knock him and thing because we all have sinned and we all have sinned and come short of the glory of God. Hallelujah, Tambourine.
Praise God.
Praise God, praise God. We all shalom come on. Sister, you can't imagine all him in a church I talk to the sister them attacking and oh sister, look under me, look under your sister, look. Ooh, okay. With him anyway. But you see, when him a doing theme for some them, after every Thursday Bible study session, him a do the things them, you know. And after so, then all when that the boy, all when that the pastor they are preaching, all in a female, you know, talking God truth now. When him they are preaching, praise the Lord church, I am that. We are seeing picture up on the internet. You can't imagine all the female, you know, and the next man wife, all when him see how she make two wheeling at the name of Lord and say, I feel your spirit, sister. I feel your spirit. You can't imagine all what Papa Jesus. And you hear what him call it beyond what was appropriate. Them boys, that's why them not trick me, you know. That's what he referred to it as a very painful part of his past. I don't think it was that painful. But I would think that he has suffered some remorse and regrets, given that he is a member of the clergy and so forth, and that he knew. Well, he has come to know that what he did was wrong, right? Right. So perhaps there is some pain there. But it's interesting that the pain and comfort wrong after the damn sitting reach court, no? And so probably if it never did reach court and all them thing, all that 2010 right, you know, that's still busy after Thursday Bible study.
In a carry service, carrying service.
You can't imagine all when them have communion and the service them a judge, but so hurry up, man, hurry up. Hurry up, drink water for drink, and me I go drink, and me for drink, and eat, and me for eat. You can't imagine all them here say the communion and say, "Una go like how you want to eat, and I know say me want to eat." Hurry up, man. Hurry up. But when I tell you with them bossy people, you know, we not nice at the thing, you know. We are going to say, yo, you know here what? Pastor wife that show the city give up. But the pastor dirty. I know some of me say look at wind up to the music. I know say that you know, that's how we drop the thing them down. That's why them don't like we. We keep it real. We keep it real. Them say, there's something about sow your seed. The Bible said about sow your seed. Him did not misinterpret the scripture, you know. Him did not misinterpret the scripture when it comes to the seed. Eh?
Sow your seed.
That's church girl.
What, you're not going to church. Now you're supposed to know.
The one about on rocky soil and the, you know, like we sow your seed. Yeah, no,
because that will confuse the things. Because on rocky soil, you have to about throw the seed on something hard and a different something.
Different seed.
No, he never threw 5 seed for the Rockies. He did find so soft.
He was under the rock. Yo, that's why I want to call in this week, you know, and give me the mix up on the past of them. Because we love be a terror in their life. And when they could have write article, look more and do what's it, not look more when I look upon them. Anyway, that was...
Can you believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Okay, to the phone line to go. Good afternoon, Mixup An Blenda. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Greetings.
We Sarah of Gibraltar. Stand firm.
Stay so. Yeah.
Aye.
What good?
Anyway, I have a mix up my thing and a really pastor, but a deacon.
Say no, man. Then a church mix up. A pastor and
right.
church mix up.
Then I was from the pastor, you know, a long time deacon them.
Yeah.
All right. And last year, me did like a situation. So me end up. Me in a Spanish Town area.
Yeah.
So me end up, my cousin get a little one room for me to go and joke up, you know.
Yeah.
Me 2 youth them. So when me did know the man, me know the man long time, but not for talk to. So the man nice to look with us for team as uncle and race.
Yeah.
Anyway, big man, you know, 60 overs. So the man say, man, everything good. When I go to the room, not even have the partition, because them live same place.
Yeah.
It not even have a door, partition door. It's just curtain.
So which way you stay? I just curtain a black half this or that?
Yeah, from the bathroom to the kitchen, I just curtain. But you never have no doors. So, anyway, to all my cousin introduced me to him and something I make from me see him all these while. Him look so innocent and calm. I know him a Christian and something. So it's not a problem, man. I know me see, I know you see so. I'm not exposed. Your place not exposed to me because me I think say I made a problem. I gonna be the problem.
Yeah.
So me I say my thing. Me know me not go violate him and so forth.
Right,
so me say as long as I know your bedroom and your living room or your particulars and we have to share kitchen, so
right.
have to go exposed to me.
Right.
Anyway, I say good. He might get ready and I say, don't worry yourself, man, by weekend I'll put on the doors.
Okay.
So no worry, uncle, and you not to stress out yourself because I plan to stay forever.
See that.
And as long as me know if to live with people and blah blah blah, and because the fan and it not be a problem to you. Yeah, man. So we did a 1 week pass, no door no put on, but you might think no was not a door issue. You know when they kind of desperate. So
right.
We start run joke and talk good and so I'll start my left all my living room door, open up now, I go road and something and say, you can walk here, you know, and instead of you walk around the side, you can walk here and go through on the veranda and so forth. So I start to tidy up living room straight back to kitchen now and so.
Warm me up, you know, man.
So, after a while, with about 2 days, me did it. Me have my DVD and my something them to watch. Him put in this particular play and call me. So him say, you ever see this play before? Me say, yeah man, I have it. As a matter of fact, I have it. He say, me there you watch. So me and my daughter go around there. So we did a see and I say, alright, watch it but quite a while. Me have it all of that. So me just sit down there, know if you can keep company with him.
Yeah.
Anyway, my daughter there and like she lean down on me and so me say, go on to your bed if you want to sleep.
Yeah.
By me say, so my daughter get up. Hear the man to me. So where you plan to sleep tonight? No, Raga, let me be frank with you. At that point in time, I have 3 beds. But because of the circumstance, my dad was to lean up some of my things them.
Yeah.
At that point in time, I have a full cube. Me have to be frank with him. I have a full cube. My dad was to put 2 at the bed. Good up, full cube when I use.
Oh, proper full cube. Like up the full cube. Yeah.
Yes, full cube, but a good something with padlock and something and your furniture and so forth tonight.
In a full cube.
So, as I see my because I'll go storeroom, so I say, so I'm lean up to the bed in there and wrap them up.
Yeah.
So I hear him say, so we are planning to sleep tonight. I say, what you mean? Because my bed went in the room, a king size bed, you know.
Yeah.
You're the man. So, I mean, if you plan to change bed. So I said to him, so I call him and I said, don't tell me, say, yes, let me sleeping at the full cube. I said, go sleeping at the full cube. So he laughed. So I said, so I'm dead. No, man, not that I mean. What about my bed? So I was like, what? So I get up, see, and I said, don't make me rude to you. I just get up and go in my room. So I said, I go to my cousin and I tell her.
Yeah.
I did tell her, I tell my cousin endorsement that when my cousin now go to him as family member and I say to him, I say, what kind of thing that uncle? The man said, me like you too. So me like you too.
What you said? So the cousin,
endorsement the thing.
Why? Because him not stop step.
The man take a set pan me.
See it there?
The man take a set pan me. The man says, so me sit down on the veranda and I watch I go. Me a big woman, you know, me a 40.
Yeah.
The man says, so me sit down on the veranda and watch I go through the gate. With your bumper cock up stuff. But she don't know what to do to me. So now, my wife been dead like 2 years ago.
Wait, this is a 60-year-old deacon in our church.
The man is 67.
67-year-old deacon.
67.
And him I'll ride him them way. But him don't even smooth it. If him a step to him don't even smooth it, him a go to say which bed you sleep in. I saw you look, man. Aye, which bed you sleep in that tonight. What about my one? No, man, him should have smooth on that, yo.
The man say, so which bed you plan to sleep in tonight? Where you plan to sleep tonight? So what do you mean by that? You don't plan to change your bed. You feel like you'll change your bed. Me say, don't tell me expect me to sleep in the fall coat.
67-year-old deacon. But anyway, where end up?
It end up all the hospital I'm over me.
In what?
The man give me notice. After a while, my people, I'm kind of make up back and the man start come around. And I put it to him, I say, him going to come around, but you know him not going to live, and you know, say, him and my support, because at the time I wasn't working and all of that, but I mean him did not so much work and stuff. And he started come around, he said, no man, no problem, that couldn't upset me, because he is the person who, your financial support is the children's father, they need to see their father.
Right.
All of that. The man start, the man come on so strong, the man give me every argument there is in the book. So me and my cousin can't I know, and when we start to bring church thing to him, the man said, look here, God make one for me. When we say, what about the Bible? And we start quote scriptures of the Bible about them something. The man said, look here, a man write the Bible. He said, so, oh, you watch us go preach to people outside.
Wife said, God make woman make uno for
me.
See it there.
God make woman for me.
Yeah, you see him a theme, look at justification where well on. You see your theme justification setting up. It's setting a way where him can continue in the church and not feel guilty with what him do. Because he's just appreciating God's creation.
All right.
But anyway,
go on with the man, malice me and give me notice and something, malice me. The time when give me 1 month. Me talk to him and say, look here, suppose I don't get somewhere by the 1 month. He said, when we reach there, don't cross the bridge when you reach there.
I negotiate him and fling back a negotiation.
All right. At that point, he said, after a while, he didn't give me anything written. So, I give him a rent.
Yeah.
Well
on. But how it end up? We're going to bang some other car. How it end up?
It end up where the man after me, me dead and now, me and him end up not chat because he want to come out of the kitchen and spot me here and spot me there and me get vile upon him one day.
Yeah.
And it happened that's made him not talk, period now.
Yeah.
When me give him rent, he say him don't want him house now. Him just start saying house.
Well, I know, you know, say, you tell with the story, you know. We really want the mix up. Yeah. Oh, it end up.
Yeah. After a while, it's like the man just have a art thing in art now. I don't know what. He end up on the road and him knock out. When him go doctor, them say him stress all over. Stress that the people must say, coming like him now.
Are your bumper stress him out and send him go hospital? Anyway.
The man the hospital and he now come back alive because of me.
Are your bumper knock him out, but anyway.
Stress him out.
All right, bless up here.
Yeah, all right.
Not say a word, man. Go and hold it that thing and be careful out there with them dirty deacon there. All right, I will break right now. Time signal, say that. All right, send on the next caller right away. Send on the next call. Pastor and church mix up with that one. And do remember, say, female pastor too. Male pastor, and the mix up out of the church, and the mix up involving a pastor. Send on and rinse up the things right now. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, greetings.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you, man. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, me say, man, me have one girlfriend, you see, man, one church girl, you see?
Yeah.
And the woman locked me up in the house and said she want me to make love to her like hurricane.
Like,
you know?
Like hurricane?
So me say, oh, you mean hurricane? Yes.
What?
Me say, oh, you mean go in the kitchen and get a pan of water. And me say, what me must do with the water? She said, flick the water upon her. Me say, what is the water? She said, the water is the rain. So she said, turn on the light and turn it off now. Me say, what is the light? She said, lightning. So she said, all right, open the door and slam it now. Me say, what is the door, darling? She said, thunder. So she said, all right, I make love to her now. Me say, sorry, darling, me can't make love in this weather, yeah.
All right, is that joke that?
Yes.
Okay.
You want no Ragashanti. Yeah. This is Pingwing from Pingwing the comedian. So you want no. Me the upper Randy William Entertainment Center last week. When them have the Gregory Isaac.
Gregory something, yeah.
And me say Raga. Me say Raga. Me call the way, you know, to come do a little thing for Gregory, my friend. And say the MC would never put on me, you know, not even 2 minutes. And me say, me and Gregory work on everything, you know, and the woman would never even give me a little break. Just to come give two nice humor, you know.
Who was the MC?
One lady, I don't know what she is, but she put on all her friends, I sing pure half key. And, you know, but to me, they have...
Why you say the MC put on the whole her friend, them a sing half key and thing, and them never put you penguin for nothing?
You know, and all of, yeah, man, and just to me never dress attire good, my shoes never so right, and my pants not right. But she never knows me they come with some nice humor for Gregory, you know?
Okay, but with all due respect, in terms of professionalism and discipline, a lot of people just think, say, it's standard protocol for them just turn up and show. And they must go up on stage because them come from far. And them start, as somebody who MC, I can't tell you, I am very, very tired of it. Somebody hire me for MC them show. It's only the promoter can tell me, say, I must put on somebody. Don't come to me. Go talk to the promoter. So then when you come, hold on. But when you come to me and you tell me, say, I come from Clarendon and I come from Montego Bay, that is either here nor there for me. I am there working on somebody's show. You understand? Don't cuss me and talk about me and fight against people and you listen to my show every day. I'm going to go and like me so they get to people, but me not for the get to people. Because me don't want to put you on the people them show.
Yes, I understand, Raga, but there are so much people who just come through the door and get the break.
Well, Penguin, you look like a spirit never take you on.
Yes, look so. And
probably if you was a different, probably if you were a different bird, you know.
Yeah, true,
if
man.
you were a canary.
Me can't fly, me can't go swim.
All right, Penguin, bless up here.
Anyway, me have your number, you know, because boy, you sound good this morning on the radio, and me I tell you, say, me go to England now, me I go up on the plane now in a minute, you know.
Okay.
And I tell all of the promoters about you, you know.
All right, then, Penguin, you tell them. I forgot, you're Penguin, you can't fly, but as much as you can, tell them when you go up to Alaska and them place.
All right, respect, brother.
All right,
nice,
Penguin.
Man.
Yeah, man, blessings, man. Penguin in the building. Okay, you see it. Gregory will appreciate Penguin right now. Isaacs, that is. Here we go. Phone line. Pastor and church mix-up. Send on. Hello.
Hello.
Greetings.
Ragawan, country.
What you say, country girl?
Medea.
Everything is everything.
Yeah, man.
All right. Give the people them the update, no, man. Give the people them the update.
She did call already, you know, and she said she didn't leave her number for you call her back, but she never get no call. She want to talk on it, not really me.
Oh, you mean? No, but remember say you did get. All right, no worry yourself. She give you a number for me, call her.
Yeah.
All right, no worry yourself. I'll get that number for you and call her. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Anyway, when the one on the line Friday and get cut off, I did want to say happy birthday to Chris Cross from me, country, and all the beautiful girls in Dunkley. Not all are beautiful, but the most beautiful ones.
Okay.
So happy birthday.
To Chris Cross. And
yeah,
he must smile off him face and thing.
Yeah, man. I'm going to say big up to the yard.
But yeah, Chris Cross bright, he say he want to give you a talk.
I don't know nothing.
I'm just cheat them. Anyway, go attack.
Anyway, got a mix up. I'm got a big up.
Say that.
All right. Big up to Anthropologist, AK mixed vegetable. What take with nitro from ketchup?
I take with what?
Nitro from ketchup.
Uh-huh.
Anthropologist, AK mixed vegetable. Yeah, nitro go Obia man. To take him with from ketchup. The Obia man tell her, say he must make a metal box here. She could buy a new black thread, 1 pound of salt mackerel, a new lakanki, and she pick up a stone out her yard and give her...
Well on. What do Obia man tell her for do? Make up a metal box for her?
It's make a man make a metal box.
Get a man for make... The Obia man say must get a man for make a metal box. Then get brand new black thread.
Yeah, one new padlock.
One new padlock.
1 stone out her yard, out of fear at pepper sauce yard.
And a 1 stone out her yard.
And she's like 1 pound of salt mackerel.
And 1 pound of salt mackerel.
And bring it to him, the Obia man.
Yeah, so she do that?
Yeah, and she buy the island in something. So said, so done. The Obia man, put the man name, put nitro name on the parchment paper, put in the mackerel belly, tie up it with the black thread, and seal it in the metal box with the stone and the key and the lock and everything. Raga?
So with the stone from her, with the stone from her yard, that are the connection to she. And tie up him name on parchment paper in the mackerel belly and wrap it up with the black thread and chew it in a metal box with the lock and the key. So lock them together. It's a hell of a tie that, you know, man. It's a hell of a mackerel black thread. Key and lock and metal box tied up to the back side, you know. How else, you know?
He tell her that she must get $619 as change and she must carry the metal box, go to seaside and pay one of the fishermen who have the boat to drop it under the sea bottom. So said, so done. Rather the man stick on panar like any nail tool,
Hold on. She really got pay the fisherman the money and the fisherman carry the box and throw the box out in I see?
Yes, my dear.
The metal box with the man. The metal box with the man here right on parchment paper put in at the mackerel belly, tie up with black thread, with lock and key, and the stone from our yard in at the box, and that you at the bottom of the sea?
Yes, with some oil from Kango shop. Oil, love oil, wall me all kind of oil.
Oh, from the Kango shop. Okay. And what you say? And it look like the will be at work.
Me the tell us say work because the man the other day.
Now, well, this call for your multiple kids love.
You hear me?
My dear lady. No, sir, you're serious. Country girl, you're serious.
You hearing me?
Yeah, man, I hear you, man. Country girl, you not hear me?
Yeah, chip out and come in. Me hardly can hear you.
Well, me I hear you fully. All right, the technician will take care. Bring down my voice a little bit there, Jeremy.
I can't hear you.
Okay, you hear me now? Country girl.
You hear me now?
Country girl, me not stop hear you, man. Are your phone, man?
You hearing me?
Jesus. Jeremy, start out this because she's screaming at my ears, yeah. Check. Bring down my voice, Jeremy. Bring down my voice. You hear me, country girl? Yeah. Our phone. All right then. Bring her back. What? She gone? Okay. Quick now, this will hold me up, you know. When I like them something, you know. We're good? You get her back? Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
You hear me now?
Yeah, ma'am.
I don't know how much document around me.
Hold on. I have been hearing you well. See, let me get an echo now. Like you see, that too, that has spoiled me already.
The big up?
Yeah.
But me not give me mix up yet.
Okay, rinse it mix up quick. You have 2 minutes. Do, rinse it quick.
Yeah, me they tell her now, say, when the man come home to her and draw the first gear panar, she said, dust. When the man draw the second gear, she said, God Almighty, dust. Rather, nobody can tell her if I run, she run, or I walk, she walk, and go the Obeman. The Obeman say, lady, what happened to you? Up you carrying your pan with, all she depend, oh God, the man say, lady, tan dead, and I say nothing tan dead. If you not release the man go and bomb it out.
And the man go and bomb it out?
Yeah, because she can't manage the man, because the old woman and nothing to at her daughter, man, she take away.
Her daughter, man, she take away?
Yeah.
But how old she is?
She around 68, and her daughter just 21.
And then... Her daughter 21 and she has 68.
Yeah.
So what age she have the daughter, country girl?
Ask me, I don't know. Me never can see.
So she have the daughter around 47.
Me tell you, me can't sit out and
No, me just check it, country girl. If she has 68 and her daughter 21, it means that she have the daughter around 47.
Her daughter 21.
While that is not impossible, it's kind of difficult for you to have been around in time then.
I want to say big up to the yard of the 6 jacket tonight.
The yard will have the 6 jacket tonight.
Straight jacket.
I want somebody to get the 6 jacket.
No.
I just different man in there get them jacket there.
A 1 yard, but just cancel it out. Me not have to spell it out, tell you.
Okay, and what a yard there? They near where you there?
No, say nothing. I mean, not go say nothing.
Leave it alone. We understand. Me understand.
Why did it be a Thursday? Yeah, me want right it be a Thursday, and me want to be the wife. So anybody want to take me as a maid, can come.
All right, we are going. But a 2 debate we have to have then because we are going to have the husband Joe grind debate too. Yeah.
All right.
And a brother from the wall, Andrea, said we must call. Andrea, send your number to Ruth because you say you want in the debate Thursday and things. See, all right, blessings and respect.
I don't want to talk to her. Put me to her, but me say something to her.
All right, you go back over to her. Anyway, church and pastor mix up. Pastor and church mix up. Here we go to the phone line. Senan. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Greetings. May have a mix up for you in the year about one pastor man from St. Elizabeth.
Senan the mix up.
The pastor man that deal with one woman from up at Farrin. But the woman married. So the pastor and the woman still correspond.
Listen.
You hear this?
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, the pastor and the woman still correspond, but when the woman come to Jamaica, she and the pastor always are going to make out.
Okay.
But the pastor call the house up here, and the husband, he want to mash up the man. They want to mash up the man house up here.
When you say up here, what you mean?
Up at Farrin.
A Farrin you call from?
Yes.
Oh, which Farrin you call from? Likkle Farrin or Big Farrin?
Big Farrin, America Farrin.
America Farrin, so a Big Farrin. Okay, yeah. So the pastor of Jamaica, I call up there now, like I call the wife up there and I go like him want to mash up the relationship.
Yes, but at the time the woman go to Jamaica, then go make out, the pastor go make out.
You know which part they make out and which part they make out?
They make out somewhere in a man to go be in can. Yes, one night time the woman come off of the bed and give the pastor and the woman the bed.
What do you mean she come off of the bed and give the pastor and which woman?
The woman and them are friends.
Wait, you mean the pastor and the pastor wife?
The pastor, no, the woman. A friend with another woman at Jamaica.
Right.
So when she go to Jamaica, now what they so they meet up at the woman house.
Okay. So the woman now up there, so them go do the things them.
Then the woman come off at the bed and go on floor and get she and pass at the bed.
And what the backside here tell me? Say that a go on?
And that a go on, and the man supposed to be righteous.
So you know, tell me the God truth. Are you your wife?
No.
I know you're a wife.
No.
So you get the story now.
You know, say man. They say Busha years.
Busha years, yes man, that's true.
Busha years. So I worry about Mixup because even the woman come to Jamaica recently. She come make up with the husband.
She come at Jamaica, come make up with the husband, but she not live a Big Farrin with her husband.
Yes, so she and the husband come down there.
Okay. Pan a vacation, like for us, strengthen the relationship.
Yes, but she still find way get in touch with the pastor.
See it there. She in love with the pastor's rod of correction.
But exactly, but she have problem because the pastor can't, because you say that you have to be professional before them the person they can marry you.
What you mean?
If you are passing, you say you have to be teacher or nurse before them the denomination can marry them, have to marry somebody with profession.
Okay, so it's a bossy pastor, man.
Bossy pastor.
Oh, you can't tell with the denomination. You can't tell with him name or anything, but tell with the denomination when him preach.
A Seventh-day Adventist, man.
Seventh-day Adventist again, man. Seventh-day Adventist. It's a 7th-day. Backside, how we get so much mix-up on a Seventh-day Adventist pastor? It's a Seventh-day Adventist pastor, so it's a very bossy pastor.
Yes.
And he might take the man, woman.
He might mash up the man yard.
Papa Jesus. So what's the present situation I know in terms of wait the right I know?
Why me feel say so way down the line? Me is either him going left the domination or the two of them hook up.
So you think say him going left the domination? Or the two of them going hook up? Okay.
And the woman going left the husband and then the two of them may hook up.
But it sounds like you're saying that them thing deep, like them probably in love.
Yes.
But the pastor married too, don't it?
No, me not think the pastor married yet.
Oh, him a Seventh-day Adventist pastor and him not married, you sure?
And a keep woman.
No, man. No, me say, are you sure that he's a Seventh-day Adventist pastor and he's not married? You sure?
100%.
Okay. Me never really know, but probably me learn something today. But anyway, yes. I want to keep you updated on that, Make you route your number so we call in and check on it, yeah?
Yes.
But well, but you know, okay, so the church is in the Montego Bay area?
No, it's there at St. Elizabeth.
Oh, the church there, St. Elizabeth. Okay, leave it right there, sir. But is Montego Bay him go pam the man wife when time she come?
Pam.
Pam.
Tambourine! Why, daddy, you say pam, 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 pam. One will heap of pamming going up there. Anyway, I bless. So wait, what going up a Big Farrin? Which part of Big Farrin you know?
Why, me then at the Queen's area.
Na Queen's area. Cola clot up on the watch it, not up there now, don't it?
You know, too bad today, man.
Okay. Can work with today?
Yes.
Okay, so where you listen to the show, pan, you know?
But it go deep at the radio, me, but it look like it broke down.
At the radio, listening on the radio.
Yeah, but the station did go for the year.
Okay. All right, then. I won't even ask. All right, then.
Beat me a whole more. We're going to call you back next week.
Yes, man. Give Ruth your number. If you don't mind asking, how old are you?
Ruth have my number.
No. How old are you?
45.
45. All right. Give Ruth your number and thing because you sound like you are our mix-up link in Queens, New York.
That's right.
That's right. That's right.
It can be the right link now.
The right link now. Give me a radio name for you. Give me a radio name where we can use for you.
Raga.
Raga. I saw your name?
Raga I.
No, I could load the I. We could just work with Raga. All right?
There you go.
All right, Raga from Queens, New York. Large up yourself. You mix up in the Tambourine family now. Good to go. All right, yes. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yes, Raga.
Yes.
Raga, me have a mix up what me did there. Key man.
Yeah.
With a pass about my mix up them, I want price to my mix up them.
You want price for your mix up, then you're lucky, you better give me and go and home.
Well, like you have me and wife here quiet. What if you want something for the best mix up for the DNA sitting there?
No, we thought about it, but one time we did that try, and then people start make up things and I call in and want to spoil up the show, so we just lower it.
Okay.
So we want people to give a mix up, but we want them real. But anytime them hear some price, but anytime them hear about price, the best mix up, them start low up the thing and I make up things in order for win. And we don't really depend on that. We want to keep it real. All right, then talk up to me. Anna.
All right, no. I did a key man. So I did work with this pastor man.
Yeah.
I could give my name. What kind of name would I give now?
Key man, pastor man.
Key man, pastor man.
No.
No.
I could call him Pastor Bulla.
Pastor Bulla.
Yeah, Pastor Bulla. Mm-hmm.
So all the way in a pastor, so me pour and hope they know but me look good. So me see pastor look for me as well. So anyway, in the house now, me wear long clothes or anyway I've gone now, me wear some nice sexy clothes. So then pastor and I said, you know, they watch TV and so me like Ben and go like me and map out the place and so.
Yeah.
So one night now they like he pastor wife now gone a foreign.
Yeah.
So me sleep, but me not sleep. You know them way there?
Yeah.
And me lay down for my belly and me, you know. Me see pastor take time I touch and me go and like me and sleep. And then I take off the thing, you understand me? And me go and like me and sleep. And when pastor done now, me say, Helda, why are the Helda? He say, hi sister, so and so. The devil overcome me, me can't do better tonight. Nobody tell nobody.
Well, on. Uno did actually do anything?
Yes, we were telling do it and don't come with the poor pass. I'm poor.
Because we love how you fix it up.
Yeah.
So, well on. So you tell me, so because you stated the pastor moved to you and you make the pastor.
With the Adventist. Yes.
Wait, which denomination?
Seventh-day Adventist.
Is that Seventh-day Adventist pastor?
Yes.
And you say him screech up and night
yes.
and take off for him to take off and do it. And you make him do the things them to you?
Yes, because if me touch him with that tap, me did have a 6-week-old belly, and me say, since he touch you, no might as well know, you're going to see him now, you know.
Well on. You did have a 6-week-old belly?
Yes.
And him never know, so you have the 6 weeks?
He never know, me say, if he touch me, now rush him, I make him do and feed because I'm going to see him at the daddy time to come.
Oh.
So wait till everything done and all right.
And then when you ask him when do know, when you say...
Go and like say, me just a wait, now me say, Elda.
Well on, no. What you mean you go like you just a wait?
No, me make him don't know, so me go like, me know, you know?
Stop.
No, well on,
man. So you are telling me, say,
when him a do film thing and whatever, you did still a go on like you asleep?
Yes, me go let me a job on girl. You know, me tell you, me have the 6-week belly and me want, you know?
No, me not debate the part there. You a tell me, say, that man here sort you out.
Yes.
And believe, say, you did a sleep through the sort out.
Me just go let me have sleep. I'm more like
well on. But, I say it did nice, you.
Yes, I see me, it did nice. Me
How long it lasts for?
It ain't so long. It does, you know?
Like, does what?
Like, quick, Raga, quick.
What is quick?
Quick, like, me not say educated, but it time busy, you know? So
no, but you're not for educated.
2 to 3 minutes, it does come about teeth in my teeth, you know, Raga.
Oh, so a couple of minutes, auntie?
Yes,
Okay.
I go so...
So what you say? When him a deal with the thing, you just a snore, see me?
So when you wet up my foot, I understand the parable. They say, Helda, how you do, Helda? I go like me, I'm sleep. I say, Helda, how you do, Helda? I say, hi, sister, so and so. You never overcome it tonight. Me can't do better, not tell nobody. And I say, Pastor, me not do 2 work and get the same pay, no? Because me the house work, and this I work a different money.
A different work?
Yeah, that's
so you are the house work and him a give you a work?
Yeah, so look, you know, Raga, the other man, you know, me just go drink some orange juice, and me see me put it, me hand on me throat, me am Lord of mercy, what do you? Me say nothing, me just don't love what me feel, you Lord of mercy.
What you mean, the very next morning?
Yes,
No, your story don't make sense, you know.
Yeah.
Even if you're going to convince him, say, inbreed you, you're not going to start vomit the very next morning. I know some pregnancy.
Yes, Raga, I can't do it. I can't feel sick if I say some of them not no sense.
You can't feel sick.
Right after. Right after.
What you mean right after? As you done?
Yes, I can't feel weak.
Weak? No, me not talking about weak. We're talking about the vomit part.
Yeah, you too much can't upset. Raga, remember, you too much can't feel sick anytime, you know.
No, me know, but you are referring this to pregnancy.
Yes.
And me probably an idiot, ignorant man, but as far as me know, when a woman get pregnant, she don't start vomit right after or the next
vomit right after, Raga. Make people call him punish you until they can call him.
Make me look on the wall because...
Yes, look
me I look on the wall because I'm very good at posting these things.
Yes, yes, Raga.
I want somebody call T. Blake and nurse there tell her to post her work. But go and talk. Me I go and watch you work because somebody will educate me upon it. Yeah, go and talk.
And then no, my time build a hope like 3 weeks after so, and me come down and me sing go tell him say XYZ, you know?
Yeah.
Say XYZ and he say, you want to me a vasectomy. You understand? So
well, you tell him say inbreed you.
Yes, and he must say, but me do vasectomy that time, I don't know what name saying or and me I tell him say, yes.
Well, so him tell you say him couldn't breed because him do a vasectomy. But you know your man, you don't know one clot what is a vasectomy.
You don't know what name so. I tell him say, yes, I feel. I'm going to tell your wife, and say, all right then, me take you. You understand me? So look, a couple around 6 months after now, he call me. And they say, go and the doctor say, pull, he did the same way. And I say, well, since pull, when he born me, no say, don't favor you can see me pick me them, favor them pa. You say the born no, Raga, make it look like, say, like 7 weeks and so, and me drop because I know say, with that tricky time. So me tell him, say, me tell him, say, born no. And me care up here. And me set up some people who say, favor him. You say, no, feel mad boy.
The boy, what you did?
Say, he have a mad son up there. And when the people don't know, say, favor him, come here, tell people, no, we say, favor him. He say, no, feel mad son.
Oh, so you didn't do anything with his son?
No, but everybody know that, so if favor him, so me did a work the XYZ, you know?
Oh, okay, so that the other one that did end up now? Other one that end up now?
Me still get something.
What you mean?
Me still get something because she had 20 now and she there UE.
She had 20 now and there UE?
Yeah, well, the truth, say, no XYZ, you know?
Okay, but you still get money from him?
Yeah, because to them time, things ain't so hard and you take this out.
So 20 years later, you still get things from him?
Yeah, me still get something.
You still get something from him, can't believe, so the 20-year-old daughter.
No, it's not for him, but you know what I'm telling wife.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm telling wife, so he give me something, but call her like until I say I love her and need something there, at that daughter to her father, because he say no, say a jacket. But so if he keep down his secret,
Yeah, okay.
If he keep down his secret,
So you blackmail him or whitemail him?
But I don't feel Raga, but me I look something then time there.
Oh, no, but you obviously still look something 20 years later.
Yes. Because me tell you, say, I film coming in, no, I would do it. Come in, look around bad in time, I know how.
Okay. Oh, you don't know? Oh, when you say Likkle and bad, you did that dash it out, you know?
Yeah, and I tell you, can anybody go and came and come back and tell us that they work and they come with big bags. Okay, if you're a Christian and go up there, so you have to give on.
You say what?
Anybody go came and come back and tell us that they work, so what they have, most of them are liars.
Anybody go came and come back and say them work for what
they work for what they have. So work can make you hard that. You have to work a day and work a night.
Oh. So but no, but yeah. No, that man, they're Jamaicans listening Cayman now and say, Anna, listen, hold on, and I say you're damn bright because you seem to be suggesting that anybody go Cayman and come back with and go work and come back with good money. Them have you up there do the things.
Work up here alone can't help your Raga.
No, you can't say that. I am aware of women. And probably men too, who go to small island and engage in different forms of prostitution. I am aware of people who have a man a Cayman or a woman a Cayman or Antigua, wherever they care. But I don't, but there's a whole heap of people who go up there in America and them not give them people them bond. Them just go up there, feel look money and come back to them family.
Raga?
Yeah.
One time he did have a man out here and I left him and came and then come back, I come with whole heap of bags and something and then come down to like 3 weeks after ticket I come up. Yeah, my boy still friend and my woman boss love her, you see. When she come down, I want to see the amount of things that she have come down with. And as she come down, ticket I come down for her. I pity and never know what happened up there, so.
And what did that, man?
Did you have to up there work and I sell, Raga?
You work and I sell.
Yeah, you sell something. You understand?
So where you
know the thing. You know the thing.
Hold on. You tell me straight. I appreciate your honesty. That's why you know that for now. But you tell me straight up. So when you go Cayman and you work and thing, you actually sell the Nukito.
Yes.
So how you sell it? How you sell it?
In the entire you sell it for $25.
25? What you mean? $25 hour?
CI.
25 CI.
I'm supposed to do 5.
Yeah. What you mean 5?
I'm supposed to do 5 a night.
5
multiplied by 25.
Okay, so that's 120.
And then give you more than pay rent, then do this and give you more than that.
Okay, so you actually go out on the road?
Yeah.
Okay, and you stand up on the road?
No, you're sexy up and go to the club like you go to Blue Mall here, you go down a Stone Road and then place.
Okay, you remember the place, I mean?
No more.
And so you go down there and then what me know? So when you're sexy up and go down there, what me down there?
Man start look you and, you know?
Then look you and then whatever.
And you know, if you not look nose, banner, you know, I don't want it, you know?
Oh, okay. So when you do it with them, don't be honest with me now. Yeah. Where you go actually do it since you're out and where you go actually?
Like car and anything, they call them time and they don't guess what's the thing, they only guess what's bi-weekly.
Oh, yeah. I just care you have to do it, you know? Mm-hmm. Okay, you ever go like Bush and them?
No, boss.
Oh, Lord God.
Thank you, joke. One time, no, we go to saw the road and we hit the window and we look the bad when I come. We jump through the window and we jump in our swamp.
Tambourine! Then wait, so you in the man car sort out the man and his wife?
That time they were in the man house.
I in the man house?
Yes.
Okay, and then the wife come and then you jump.
No wife, that time that's what they like because but 2 men just fresh out them and they know say you Florence supply everything. As me gone somebody else to come in.
You said two, you just you never know what. You never know say you for rent apply with it. When I run out, then you come in. So you see the woman that come. Well on. So well on now. You see the woman that come and think say wife and you just go say take it. And jump in. So wait, you can't see. So wait, then who have to come help you?
The man and the same woman. Can you want me to go put the man in the
well, the man and the same woman that come around, they come to help you out of the swamp. Mm-hmm. Then when you in a swamp, right? When they say swamp, like where you want to
help, murder.
Yeah. Well, when you jump in the swamp, you're about out help, man.
If you plug out me, I left you.
Plug out what?
Come here, I list of people mix up, and me, who?
Well, who want plug out?
Me a plug out.
Who a plug
out? Who? Come here, list of I got mix up at the time. I give him me too.
Yes. So who come and say you want plug out something? Oh, I Amanda.
So you say?
Yeah. So what you say? You plug it out. You gonna left him?
Come on.
But it sounds like you put the mix up in front of him then. Like you tell him say don't ramp with the mix up then.
Right.
Don't. Okay. So you say you listen mix up and you give me fear too. Okay. So anyway, where are we? We did in the swamp now.
Yes, I ain't anyone have to go here.
So we are
murder.
Yeah, kill me. So
But Jamaican people are easy enough for you ball out help for you down in the swamp. They are ball out murder.
Yes.
Someone murder you in the swamp. I'm going to die. So they tell me what the water catch you. Well, it sounds like Mr. Amanda still vexing.
So, me I go and talk, you talk,
Okay, me I talk now.
Yes.
Me
I'm independent, you turn your one, body not supposed to tell you how to flex.
Hey.
When you're independent, you turn your one and I know about that, and I feel mixed up. So somebody know I hear my own too.
Listen, tell him I know swamp you jumping after reach where you're there. Okay, so what in still a cost?
When you're independent, you turn your one and sit on your own party.
Well, you stay right there, so we're going to take a break and we'll come back because you're independent and independent woman. Stay up on phone.
Ruth, my number, call me. That's my phone bill no go.
All right, Ruth. Call her back right now because you're independent and thing. I wonder if some people know where you go to for it. Yo, God, Papa Jesus, it's hot, you know.
A mix up and blender time.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in nice sitting. Now we are go back to Carla and think. Carla, you there?
Yes, maybe there.
Yo, so what go on with it, Miss Amanda?
Are we in there again?
No, man, Miss Amanda in cool, you know. Hey, man, where you there with, man?
I myself, I enjoy, because I know sex alone, you can enjoy yourself with me, When you're stressing and turn on your read upon Raga, is stressing of blood pressure when high drop. If you ain't low, it go up. You understand?
Right.
So actually, the Ragashanti show is a therapy.
Is a therapy? Ragashanti show good for your health.
Yes.
Okay, I want the boys.
How you know.
See there now. Yeah, man. So where we are saying now, when you jump in at the swamp, where the water catch you?
It catch me, like, I'm a neighbor there, so.
Are you neighbor there, so? But they will shock in at the water.
And sitting in there.
Oh, Lord, Maka juke you upon them something.
Yes,
So the man and the woman now run come around there and help you?
Yes, everyone come rescue me.
So she did herself too?
It looks so because after that, I go on there, I see another girl around there, so everybody something. You Florence supply with him.
Okay. So then after them pull you out now, everybody.
After she pull me out, she said, that's it. Me should not run because I could have killed off myself and our man.
And it's not
I don't something she look like how me I look it,
Okay. She was Jamaican?
Yes, Jamaican. You have to say, are we alone? They rate up the same at the time, because we know if you throw the stick.
When you say the Jamaican woman, them know if you do what?
Throw the stick better than the Honduran and the Philippine them also.
Than the Hondurans them and the Philippine them? Are you telling me that the Jamaican woman them start out shot more than them people?
Yes.
Okay, I go and say something to you. And I swear upon my mother's name, this is the truth I'm telling. I went to Cayman and I was talking to some and this is before the Cayman people require visa from Jamaica and I run out and all them thing. And I was speaking to some Cayman people I know. And the Cayman people told me that Cayman, because of them bank and them this and that, they attract foreigners from all over. And he said, Kingsley, I'm going to be honest to you. We Caymanians, the people we fear most, apart from drugs and Colombians themselves, but the people we fear most when it comes to our relationships, Jamaicans. Them tell me as a group, and I say, why? And them say, what? The ones them say the Jamaican, them look a bit vulgar, but them say Jamaicans have a kind of aggressive confidence there, where them will get anybody. And then they did say, and word is that we are incredibly in bed. To which one next woman, who is not even Cayman, and she lived there, but she come from England, and she said, but you can just see it in there dancing. You understand?
Yes.
So, them really, me believe you.
Eat the lollipop the best. Eat lollipop, sweetie the best.
When I say Jamaican eat lollipop, sweetie the
best, yes.
Say Jamaicans eat lollipop, sweetie the best.
You understand?
So, no, ma'am, I understand. Yeah, you use quote. Yes. Then tell me something now. Someone you did up there now. Is that what you lollipop you eat?
Then I must.
Okay.
You can't talk coming to Africa. I have something for sure.
Somebody help me. What you say? You can't talk. You have something for sure for it.
When you have something for sure, no crime,
When you have something, you kill me. When you have something for sure, it's not crime. What that you say?
It's not crime. I can't talk all in the public.
In the public.
So eat lollipop.
So you eat a lot of lollipop when you were in Cayman. And you have some.
I eat a lot of lollipop.
And you have some.
You have the headset, me have everything.
You have your headset now.
Of course.
So wait, what were you have for sure for all of the lollipop the way you eat a Cayman?
No real estate.
You what?
And I still have the good, you know?
No. Me say, what were you have for sure for the lollipop the way you...
house and car and something there, Raga.
You have a car?
No, more than one.
You have more than one car?
But Raga, if you have something, you must not only have a house to live in, but if you have something to rent out, that's why you live in a one, and old age take you have something to live on, like pension.
Okay, so you make sure you invest your lollipop money.
You have to invest your lollipop, something and plant something, enough food and something, have enough land and do farming, because food is the staff of life. So
tell me the truth, you really do them things, eh?
Eh?
You really, so you have all them things set right now?
Then I must.
Okay.
Me have no Ph.D, me have no GC, I do street side university, me go.
Street
so
side?
I just set myself.
Are you say survival, no?
Yeah, I know me just do that for fun, me do that when me feel like, me not do that when man want, me turn around when me feel like.
Okay, you said no, you do it when you feel like.
Of course.
No,
when me feel like.
No, you turn around when you feel like.
When I feel like.
Okay. But it's a fascinating story I share with you, because basically you are saying, some people are listening to you right now and I don't know what I'm thinking. But you say survival is the name of the game and you're at a stage of your life,
I'm
right?
lucky. No for who about you, so that they do that.
Okay.
I want to do everything to survive. Trees from everything to survive.
What do you mean trees? No, but you don't have to do trees, some.
Yeah, sometimes when you get hold and you have to spice up a relationship in a Raga, you get hold and nature job. So you have to do something to carry it up.
Oh, so when you get hold and nature job, more time you have to make
it. Spice it up. Like when you have to cooking the food,
yes.
You have to put the new kind of season them in it. And
yes. So you have to do look at things different.
You have to spice it up.
So now, every now and then you will spice it up with a threesome, no?
You have to spice it up and enjoy myself more, Raga.
Okay. So you enjoy threesome?
But them the time them never did I enjoy myself. I look it.
Okay. Oh, you did I look it, so them time that you do it as work.
You just want the man to do, so it's what if you just done if you go hunt again. You know, no time for not even know if you enjoy. You know if you enjoy the money.
Oh, it's just all about finish quick and hunt again, go look the money.
Yeah, and
hunt again. But now you do threesome now?
Yeah, to start up then I must.
Okay, but now you do it for fun.
Do it for fun. Yeah, you do it for fun. You do it for cash again or nothing.
Okay, you do it now because you enjoy it and you want to do it now.
Yes.
But then when you go Cayman, like how long you stay? Then feel like how long?
It's like 6 weeks, 3 months. I'm not Cayman alone. I'm going to go like Haiti. Nice to see Raga.
Haiti?
Yes, they never talk about you have to pour on something. They only show you the political side.
Them only show you the ugly side of Haiti.
Yes. That's why you go uptown a Petroville and go up on the mountain, the rich man them there and something.
No, but hold on.
Nice.
What? So up where the rich man?
Them up the kind.
Oh, so which part of Haiti now where the rich man? What area the name? Like what?
Petroville and Delmas.
Petroville and Delmas, them places. You know, some you don't even know where the backside yet. I don't know them places, but you obviously know yet. So what you say the man them kind up there, so?
They kind. You see them talk about how they're Raga. Them they are a long time days. Them are generally work up a confidence. Not that they just name so again. Okay,
well you say the Asian people are more modern and thing right now.
Yeah.
So a stereotype and them just talk up things about 80 and them don't know 80.
And they don't know.
But you did there and you
nice house and something. Swimming pool all in something there, Raga.
So between me and you know, like you make more money at 80 than you make a Cayman?
No, you make it a Cayman and Curacao most.
You make it a Cayman and Curacao most? But it look like you did you did go global with your sort out hustling.
Then a most. After you have suffered, Raga, you have to take it international.
Oh, you have to take it international?
Yes, you know, say you're not getting no price and downgrade you.
Okay. Then so you go 80, you go Cayman, and you go Curacao, Nassau, that are 4 Wales now.
Santo Domingo.
Santa Domingo.
No, they are Santo Domingo. No, must go on for this. They not hardly do business there. So.
Them hardly do business at Santa. That's at the Dominican Republic, right? So them hardly do business there, so.
Right.
So which other one you got? I 5 that. Which other one you got? I eat that.
Yes, I just say so.
The
same place about my main thing, you know, 80 and Cayman.
80 and Cayman, that's how you make the Kyle, no?
Right.
Proper. Then tell me something. Them man they can't sort out good. Or them just like.
Oh, Cayman man sort out the best.
Cayman man sort out the best.
When you get a sort out from Cayman man, Raga tomorrow you have to sleep all 2 days. Yes.
Why?
Raga they have a pair of foot, you see?
Yeah. When you say the Cayman man they stay well though.
Their foot big, Raga. Their foot big.
Tambourine. So when you say if you're going to the shoe store, them a Cayman, them are some bigger, them are some bigger level foot over there, don't it?
Bigger level foot.
Poopa Jesus. Then they know you manage them the big foot, they know. You never rough on you.
Once, so you look something, just a man that dig a pit and you know, so the pit hard.
Yeah.
You have to take the pit, you have to go.
Yeah.
You understand?
So what then when them big foot they reach, you know, oh yeah, like what you do? Like what the worst big foot ever reach? And go and use a code same way here. What the worst what the worst thing ever happen to you when you ever have a big foot that where you have to run away from it?
Can't run, you know, say that strong.
Okay, so what you
when you multiply by 4, you see how much
so basically you are saying no care how big the man foot is as long as the money that you hold it.
Yeah.
Papa, you ever end up
get the money first.
You get the money first.
Yes.
Because you have to smart, because them will do the things them
and then. No, take you away.
Yeah. Then tell me, so you ever end up a ball, you tacky got you. You ever ball?
No, but sometimes you pretend, because when you ball, you know, they feel say yes.
Yeah.
You know?
When you pretend ball, the man feel nice, no?
Yes, the worst if you hold on, not now go on, and you just, you know?
And you just give him 2 sound and make him feel nice. Just give him 2 sound.
Yeah, he come all the while now and say, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, look with you.
Okay, because from him feel, say, he might make them sound, then he will come back and spend him money with you,
yes, no? Yes.
Oh, hey, you know, sir, I love how you keep it real and just make you know the 100, you know? Yeah, I love how you keep it real and then
tell Ruth to call me tomorrow, I gotta give my better 100.
Eh? I don't hear you say what?
Tell Ruth to call me tomorrow.
Tell Ruth to call you tomorrow. Oh, you mean for the show?
Yeah.
Okay. But when me I said, well, but you ever end up a ball for real?
No, really. Sometimes something nice. It's a nice sweetie of a ball, yeah? You know, but they just nice. Sweetie nice, so you just... You understand?
You kill me. He said, what time you know, box all a nice sweetie you have to put on a ball, no?
Raga.
Yeah?
Raga, sometimes you get a nice sweetie and you say that you collect, you know, you give, you know. That's how you just take set this up.
Oh, for real?
Yes.
Yeah, so you ever have a client yet? You ever do business with one of them and when them shut it to your wicked and thing, you rate them to the point where...
No more.
I'll give them all a run and I'll go link them back. You ever end up a girl and one of them a free run yet? The way you then good?
No more.
Okay.
I buy them nice things, ring chain and something there.
You spend all money per man up there to the way then go?
Yes. But you know what make me stop? When you fix them up and then gone, you know, and you're broke, you can't go back to them and beg them nothing. It doesn't make sense to give them nothing. Just go and do what you do.
Okay, but you have met a couple man they will fix you properly and make you talk in our tongues and all them something there, to the point where you all start spend money upon them, don't?
No more, fix them up. Cut off it off of them foot and fix them up, rub them down and color get light.
Okay.
Buy nice clothes.
Give them a beer sitting.
Yes,
yo,
fix them up.
You know easy, you know.
Get them, powder them up and cage them and you go also take care of them.
Then all them time when you go to them places, you always have your man at Jamaica, don't?
Yeah, but me no mean one steady one, so. Because you know, you look it.
Okay.
Never even find me sense of one steady one yet. So, more than... you know, couple months after you say them, I look something, I look it, you say, no, say, but you just take plane and look it.
Okay. Then you ever there with a man who knows, say, yeah, leave Jamaica, go do them things, and him cool with it?
Yes, the one that take and fix up it. He love licking.
Oh, him love the likes?
Yes.
So him love when you go out, they go sleep with the man, them for just give him the likes, them and thing, or whatever. So basically, him did allow him to pimp you out then, don't?
Yeah.
Okay. Then,
the rest of them, I have no meeting, so I have to work.
Oh, so then tell me something. This thing you know where you as a woman leave and you go to them small island, and when you say work, you really go up, they go hustle, right? With the sort out.
I was coming in of a cook and wash and sit, so I can't know what I go do.
No, but when I say...
They don't know when sitting do good and like that, so anything you do suit them.
Oh, but then tell me something, you know. I know you alone did a juggle, so you have some other Jamaican woman who that them do too, no?
No more, everybody me say go up there to hustle Raga. Christian, everybody.
No, when they say hustle, you mean like sell a thing, ne?
Sell lollipop, yes.
Sell, and then...
Lollipop and caramel pudding.
Tambourine! Tambourine! Yo, so enough of that one then?
No more.
So enough time when people leave Jamaica and say them a go them small island, they go work. Are them things that
work? Yes, they work. And the Bible says, by yourself, your brother must eat bread. So they work.
You're killing me. You're killing me. So
then the big shoes, so you have to sweat, Raga. You have to sweat.
I grog me there. What you say? Under them the big foot there over there. You have to sweat now.
By
the sweat of your brow, you shall eat bread or a lollipop too. By the sweat of your brow.
You remember say one certain pastor when I call on him, they will catch him up there too.
One certain then catch him up there to a door.
Yes, pan in the car and they went ban him from up there. Everybody is supposed to know. Yeah.
A certain pastor.
Yeah, big pastor told.
No, big pastor. Don't worry, them soon.
They catch him in the car.
Then soon post it on the wall, pan. Then soon post.
Yes.
The Tambourine family, the Mixup people.
Brother.
Then catch him up there too. But wait, I never work.
All the things them I get started.
I never work him. Did I work?
His camera phone did then at the time they fought.
Okay. But tell me something now. Is only woman do it? Or man do it?
No, but you got to say mostly woman. Because the man they go to work. They will meet Cayman woman is when they start to good.
Yeah.
Because the Jamaican man them know it to work good. But the Cayman man them know if it work good like the Jamaican man.
Oh.
Which them have more money no more than the Jamaican man.
Oh.
So the man them go there no woman we take them out, married to them and they get in stay also.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. But we definitely go there for look it Raga.
Okay. So it look like when it come to the sort out thing, them Jamaican men and women, they are just exceptional. We're good like that for real, no?
No more.
Okay. And money night.
Good Raga, we good man.
Okay.
They're the best.
Okay. Because it look like you skilled too, it look like you make a good money out of it. So it look like you did a shot it wicked.
I put it to use.
You put it to use. Put it to use. Are you, hey.
I can sit and enjoy myself, but only to, I don't want to start spend big yet. I mean, I have a big fish running, but I can't sit down and live. I have to send my kids and go to good school and university and so.
Oh, so your daughter at the University of the West Indies, no?
Yeah, two of them.
The two of them? Oh, so,
yeah.
And so you have...
But I tell them when I come by, I think them things, I'm going to find our work.
And don't tell them?
I watch people close down, and if people see them and I tell them, Mr. Go, I go to Engadry.
Okay. So as far as them know, you go over there, you work hard and do your thing and so forth and thing. Washing,
send them
cooking.
Send them to school because they don't know father and something. You understand me?
Okay. But if you say, okay, may I understand,
You understand?
Yeah.
You understand, Raga?
Boy, after that...
What we have father, you know, Sunday you have still and so you know how we translate just now. But you know, Raga, you see...
What you say when you're pregnant and you're pitting them because you do the things them and your business that you never know. You don't know which one I father.
Then the time you could have just make a name and give a man. But you see my last after now.
Yeah.
And me a couple years now. And you know see this man and you know one them in a Raga and him alone don't get no jacket. And you know one them.
Well so all of the man before the one you know all of the man before a jacket them get. But the one you know him not get no jacket.
The one no get none.
And the one when I get the jacket, him not own them.
The man when we have 3 last one for you know, him no own them. And him alone not get no jacket. That's all right, bro.
Boy, may I tell you. So how many you have total, you know?
9.
What you say?
9 rather.
And 9 pitney have?
Aye.
9. And you are wallet for 9 of them right now.
But if you go, like say you go this a foreign country and you tell someone to say yes are you. The guy that you say yes are you. You know, so you know, say if 3 not coming, 1 will come in.
Oh, so you're roughly pitting? So you're roughly pitting them one?
You know, so you have to, in them the time when you look at it, hard, you know. sometimes I still don't know people, so but a survival thing to come to something.
Okay, so you're roughly pitting them, so you say you will give it to her.
You could just make a name and say, all right, yeah, I want to name Brown, you know. You know?
What you say, what?
Not the time you just say, you know, say, I go to a man named Brown, so I want to name Brown. I want to name Roden. You understand?
Roden.
I say, you just make name and I call me, in them the time.
In them the time, they just pick up a name, though. Just give them a name. Just give them a name. In them the time there. Okay, so if I pick the come, you just say, boy, I don't even know where I call her one. You know, I could call her one a golden, yeah. That's how you do it.
Sometimes you try, you know, if you don't want, you know, but you're afraid of that because you do so much.
Okay, so all them name they them get up from actual man, or is just you just pick out the name?
So you pass it on Brown, or you pass it on Roden. So you just say Roden or Brown.
Okay. And that even if you remember the last name too, though.
Yeah, but then to come and then go and favor, you might say well, so.
You can't remember, you can kind of remember, but you have to be careful with that favor there. You ever watch Maury? You see,
and I reunite, you know. Yes, Raga.
No, but I not just a favor thing there, because enough time I watch Mario and the pitney and the dead stamp for somebody, and it's not the person pitney. You can't just favor anymore, you know. Hello?
True.
Okay.
Raga, one of my daughter did say.
Yeah.
But I don't understand. Your eyebrow not neat, your foot not big, and my eyebrow neat. My that eyebrow meat and my foot is big and your foot not big and that foot not big. And how come I just bust out a cry and tell her?
Me a dead. So you just tell her the truth. After she does a knock you with details and I said, no, my eyebrow stays and my eyebrow neat and my foot is big and this. You just bust your tongue and give her the full 100.
You just bust it out and tell her.
Well, and the talking iPhone. You just bust it out and tell her the whole deal.
Yeah, you know.
Then how old she was at that time, though?
24.
And then when you tell her, how did she take it?
She rubbed me on my shoulder and said, okay, I'll see with you. Okay. He's my dad. He's my dad.
A foreign that one that grew?
Yeah.
Which part? Foreign?
England.
Oh, that one that grew in England. Yeah. So she does
medicine.
Oh, she had the medicine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then come to Samaraga.
So tell you 9 pitney them now. How many girls and boys?
6 girls and 3 boys.
6 girls and 3 boys. And the whole of them pretty much are come out to something, though.
Yeah. Blessing.
And you would do anything?
None on work list yet.
None on work list yet. And you would do anything for any 9 of them, though.
What?
You have a good relationship with them?
Some of them, because when people tell to the past, then they underrate me, you know?
Oh, so then...
I don't send up my money and send them a college and things. But life goes and not true. They don't know me if I'm source of food and mind them.
Okay. So
like I tell me hard till you see, never boil banana without salt and eat. It's like coffee on the tree you grow.
Yeah.
You have to suck it and then you drink water.
Oh. In time they have...
You understand?
Yeah. You don't suck the raw coffee.
Yeah, the coffee me I tell you, the like a blue moon. I know probably that one, yeah.
No, okay, all right, right.
The red coffee.
Right, and then you just drink some.
Sleep in a cold boat, sleep in a shed, sleep all boat.
You go through it, man.
So when you suffer, you come to something in a Raga.
You go through it, man. You go through it.
And one night, one lady rent me a room, you see?
Yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
And I mean, I have no light in there, no bed. I mean, I have a plastic bucket and I put a candle upon it. And at night, I dream see fire. I look the bucket, catch a fire. I have to dash in the banana, walk the banana, trash them, catch a fire. I have to run on a beat and a whole tea. The man in the landlord throw me out.
Oh, God. Why you go through it?
I go through it, man.
So
but it helped billion.
And you couldn't pay the $10? Then bust your jawbone with a knife?
But aye. My first spot was a cheddar cheese pan. You remember the cheese pan there?
Yeah, man. They with the orange and yellow cheese pan.
And the first spoon was a prangonut stick. You have to wash the sweet yam and put it in the pot and strip it off. And take a prangonut stick, just put a puppy and take it on fork and give the little girl.
Then tell me something before you go. Like the children them who don't talk to you know, you don't have a good relationship. But what are people who know where you did go and go tell them?
Yeah, well, they see me, they talk to me, you know, but I feel like me sick answer, but when they see their friend, they not say my mother that.
Oh, them shame?
Yeah, you know.
And that about what?
So when they see me on Facebook, Raga,
yeah.
They like send a text and say, you look good and you know what I'm ready?
Okay. That's a 2 out of the 9. That's a 2 out of the 9.
That's a 2 out of the 9. 2 I never did throw away. If they know them lucky.
Why, you had a lot of abortions too?
Of course, you have everything when you're a girl in the street. Some doctors come have to do by yourself.
So you had abortions by yourself?
Yes, Raga, you know, brother, stop going like you're a foreigner.
No, me know, but, you know, and, you know, sadly, me know about the anger, me know about certain appeal, and me know about certain things where you mix up and get up. Well, me not get in upon the radio, but, like, let me just ask you have had a lot of abortions?
A lot, Raga. Can't count on fingers and toes.
Can't count?
Can't count. Straight talk.
So you say them, that 9, if you're lucky, say them come then?
That 2 that was this me.
Yeah.
And if you're lucky, say them come, they should have blessed me.
Okay.
You understand?
Hear me. We are going to make Ruth take your name and number half the year. She have it already, right?
Yeah.
We'll call you back. We'll call you back tomorrow, yeah? But we're going to take a break and make some other people talk. But listen now, we just want some respect for your reasoning and idea, yeah. And we love how you keep it real.
I don't know you one day, then I come at all.
Yeah, come on. All right, then I say a word, man. And give you a radio name for you, no? You give you a name.
Take care of a year.
Eh? No. Why you give it one? Make up one where you want, where we can use. Stunt. Eh? Stunt.
Stunt.
All right, then Stunt. Let's say a word, man. And linkages. You don't worry yourself. We're going to link up with the auntie, but we're going to give a reason tomorrow, yeah? All right, you take care of now. Whoa. It's a mix-up show, you know? And I tell you, life is stranger than fiction at times. I want to hear the things, them. We say laugh, learn, and grow, you know? I want to hear the things, them. Panda show, yeah? I want to know the thing really set out there. Enough of them people that run up them mouth pan radio and chat this and that, whatever, this and that. Them don't know one striking thing what really are going out there with them so-called bright self and them book smart self. You understand? And you hear what that woman I go through. And she a one, or the way she talk, when she just start talking, the kind of, say something never really a connect. But she not it. She flow. And she come up with details where you cannot make them things that up, you know. You can't make them things that up on that floor, so you understand. Yeah, we're going to break. We're so forward. Yeah, man, welcome back up in ice. Setting, and I don't know, say I mix up and blend. We say, boy, yo. Bellias, what you think about that call of that one?
Michelle.
Bellias, what you think about that call of that one?
No lie, she a tech life.
No, she is easily one of the most honest callers.
She a Muma.
Yeah, Muma too, but easily up in the top 5. Remember I do this from mostly 2002 or 3, somewhere around there. I start do this. I don't remember. But anyway, and in all these years I've been doing it, she's easily one of the most honest person I've ever talked to, and whatever. And she really go through it, you know. Don't you hear me say it all the time that life is lived in the gray areas? People, when them all them crosses people, they call and talk with them damn foolishness. If you really listen to them, they speak in black and white. But life really, you know, is a nuanced and textured, and I find that people who are successful in life are the people who manage the gray area. You hear me tell you, say, every successful person I meet, there's not one person I meet who do well in their life who did easy for them. You know, somebody post on them Facebook wall and say, show me a path that has no obstacles. And it may be a path that leads to nowhere. He said, show me a path that has no obstacles, and it might well be a path, and it is a path that leads to nowhere. But at the same time, while you have those people who are successful and them go through a whole heap of things, them always have another painful side to them, you know. Something like in terms of them that get along with them children or something. There is always something there, or them go through this traumatic thing what happened to them or whatever. But somehow them well, the point I make is you can't just run and judge them people upon either side.
Real, yeah.
It would be a stupid person who jump up and judge a woman right now.
Kind of know what she got through.
It would be a stupid person to say, well, I'm Catholic, she should not abort our children. Anyway. I'm not saying you should agree with it, you know. I'm just saying for us, I'll go to speak out one thing out of our life and just judge her, whatever. It would be a vulgar decontextualization of what she's really about. Because this is a life where it is a story to be told, you know. You know, it's a powerful testimony she have right now, you know. If you don't, she's somebody to be interviewed and document her thing, you know. You understand? One of the most powerful thing I learned in my, you know, anthropology has a thing called cultural relativism. And it has its its pitfalls and so forth in that, you know, have some limitations as far as I'm concerned. But the idea behind it is that never you try to understand somebody from your orientation. Always seek to understand people from them orientation. Right? They call it the emic perspective, E-M-I-C. Right? And that is cultural relativism. As opposed to ethnocentrism, where you judge people based on where you, whatever. No, you don't have to agree with everything what them doing. You know? But, you know, what my advisor, Dr. Penn Worker, always said to me, is like, you don't have to agree with them, you know. But you must develop the capacity to understand them. So anthropology as this thing is walking off in them shoes, but that is simpler said than done, you know. It was a hard thing, you know. And when you hear that with a woman you go through in a fair life, right, you know, it's just like there's all kind of inspiration there. And at the same time, you hear some things and I say, well, I fear thing that me want to do that still, but boy, I'm not going to rush go judge her or say whatever this. Because I believe people make it and never resort to them things. Yeah? Don't we know that? There are only women out there who do real well and didn't, you know, go down the path there. But what she says, she keep on saying, in them days there and all them things there, whatever. You know, 25 CI.
And enough money.
I mean, a whole heap of people are going to run in and judge her and say this and that. And them do for them thing and for them, them you know, stand up on the street side, you know.
Yeah.
But them have them one way to where them have to pay for this stuff. And them are used for them money to take care of themselves. Yeah. But needless to say, boy, you know what I like with her too? Seki would be proud of her. She know how to code. She know how to code. And I code them. I will never. I mean, from this day and forth, you know, look at Camille putting this. I just say, oh, the Jamaican them know how to chew them lollipop. Oh, okay. Okay, you see. Crazy, man.
She go hard, mama, not lie. She go hard.
Okay, bring it. All right, we have calls from the United Kingdom and we have calls from Orlando. So I could take them foreign callers since I'm a call from so far. Okay, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, Ragashanti. How are you?
Oh, and I would surmise that you're calling from the UK, right?
Yes, I am.
Which part of the UK, United Kingdom, you call from?
London, England.
London, England. So I go down there now. Talk up the things to me.
Yes, my love. Got to nasty gas, Spanish town, my trash. But I'm come to Jamaica for 2 weeks. And she tell me that my man take time because I'm supposed to take everybody.
Well, she say your man take time. She really means Susie Jane and Paula, right? Your man take a whole heap of woman, don't it?
Yes.
So wait, so you're one of them woman that when woman come to you and I tell you, say, your man take other woman or whatever, you don't them woman because you don't want them come tell you them things, don't it?
You don't want, you're not him supposed to take.
Him supposed to, when you there in England, your man supposed to take woman down there, don't?
Of course.
So why you don't say to the woman, the people who are listening and say, but that is awful, that is not good morals and whatever. Why you don't say to them people?
Because I'm nothing, I'm not telling them they're supposed to take.
So when you there now, when you come to Jamaica, if you stop take door?
When you come to Jamaica, I'm a star.
You're a star, but you don't answer the question, doing.
I'm a star.
Everybody
have to back off.
Everybody have to back off. So even if them even if him still take them, you're number one there. You're first lady.
One time.
Okay, so where else I go down, you know? I mix up, you go shot, you know, in idea.
All right, then wait, my friend attack you. Eat up, Raga, what go on?
Well, I'm there, I will have proper strength, you know. Glad to open Island and they are listening show and I will have joy.
I'm cool, but when my friend come to Jamaica and some girl go like them want violate.
But them for know say, my friend at the boss, anything say she said the law.
Hold on. I step to her.
Huh?
Them step to her. Tell him move the which the thing won't not listen. Tell him move away from it, here.
Huh?
Won't not listen to the show upon, move away from it.
No, we're not listening to her.
Okay, alright. So what me I say, them step to your friend when she come down here?
Yeah, my friend come and Jamaica and some big donut girl from Spanish Town, some Spanish Town mattress. I come
up on the radio, yeah?
Uh-huh.
You cannot sit up on the radio. Them will just cancel the show and done with the show. Cardell Green and the people them who want to use Cardell Green and Upton done for fight games, so them will just come in here. So you can't say them things there, yeah? But anyway.
Okay.
So what really are going between your friend and them people, you know?
Them just are going to violate.
Okay. So wait, them a take your friend man then?
Yes, and if you know what say, my friend at the boss or anything she say Allah.
Okay, alright. So wait, so a Spanish town don't come from too?
Yeah.
Okay, alright then. See. Which part? Alright, nobody say nothing no more. But everything jiggy do. Everything good do.
Yeah, man, everything good. You just up there, I call a go and whatever.
No, sir, listen to me. I talk it when the show start, you know, but we need to do a show in London, you know. We need to do a show in London. We need to do a show in London because we don't know sound of lock in on the show over the beer things and things.
Yeah, man,
so,
I want you up here.
Just look out.
Well, I'm trying to talk to you, Raga.
Okay.
Raga, big up yourself, that me say.
All right, don't worry yourself here.
Your show is global.
No, man, we know.
Dirty girl in a Spanish, so they're going to have a life and get a life. Them life sad. I'm happy. I'm not insecure. I'm happy.
Up there the thing there, baby.
Happy, global. That Mr. Global like that.
All right, baby, no say a word here.
North, south, east, and west. That Mr.
Later. All right.
We got a 20-year relationship where I got stuck and I ain't going nowhere. Ain't going nowhere.
You're not going nowhere. You're done with your man. No care where a girl come set to you. You're done.
No, husband.
Your husband. You're not left your husband for no little jing bang, no.
No little dirty, non-progressive girl. Me a progressive girl from birth.
You can't. I can't believe you said that. Me think you're going to say, no, man, me think you're going to say, I can't and all them something there, whatever.
Me not talk on my house.
No, well, me think. No, me think. No, me know, but me I think you're going to say, I can't land. You can't. No, I can't believe it. Well, I can't believe you come with that H word. But listen now, on the need for learn, on the cannot say them things upon radio. On the want people get rid of the show.
Okay, I'm sorry, I apologize.
All right. If you were right, yeah, I would spank you properly, you know, but, you know, we not disrespect your husband, so everything good here.
We want to big up the four of my mansion, them 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's a mad them.
All right, now say a word. A blessings here. All right, blessings and take care here.
Yes, bye.
All right. My girl say, I sit a mad them, I ask her what I said. I can't believe she bust out that H word. I shot my man. Well, she must know, you know, if that's her acid. Okay, I will go to the phone line. Hello.
Yo, Raga.
Whoa.
Yo, big up from Central Florida. I gate man, the zinc fence man. What going?
This is from, where you hail from?
Central Florida, the zinc fence man.
Cool, man. That's a flipping word, man. That's a flipping word, boss, man. Yeah.
But, Raga, I don't want to change from the programs to the topic and thing. But you see, but they are still there all again. What she name a stunt or what she want.
Stunt, yeah.
You see woman that still.
Yeah.
Me list there was a point that time when if you realize and list of them realize that she talks to you and tears in her eye. Hey, Raga, you see success, Raga.
Yeah.
It's when you're poor and not come from nothing.
Yeah.
And you enjoy success. You get success reach a different thing. You see all that idea?
Yeah.
Me from last week, about 2 weeks now when I feel to cook. And every day we eat out every single day.
Yeah.
And last night I go eat. I'm going to say a blessing, coming out brother or nothing.
Right.
Last night we go eat, and my daughter, she take up her chicken fingers there, man. You know, Italian restaurant, you know, so baby, them want for them thing.
Yeah.
And her chicken fingers, them drop on the, from a table. And she said, Daddy, put this there, because this is dirty. And you know, remember, Raga?
Yeah.
By the days, them, I'm going to buy one piece of chicken back.
Yeah.
And take off the fat off five.
Yeah.
And fry up fat with tomato.
Yeah.
And scallion.
Yeah.
And eat that with green banana.
Yeah.
And I that boy, a fish alone, me in a Raga. No, anything more I can order.
Yeah.
But I eat chicken.
See.
But when the lady talk a while ago about the poor thing and everything, it's a flashback for me.
Yeah.
But you see people like them that still.
Yeah.
It's when I'm dedicated, like myself, but dedicated and get a chance and get a bus and do a mean, you know.
See that?
It's sweet, Raga.
That's that word.
I want to want in a life for me, you know, and I fly on the Concord. And I true that them going to retire that before me ready. And after anything that life want,
and any of them take the Concord out of retirement, you dip on that.
Dip on that, Raga. Some people are talk about rich and save and this and that. You know what I mean? But make good investment for the family.
Yeah.
Take care of the bills, them, and everything else spent on me.
Like a responsible man should, yeah.
Hey, Raga, I have some youth, I have youth, I have family where they, you know.
Yeah.
None of them never come back, come tell me to come with them, they come over the night, you know. I have some here live. I live this foolish every day, I enjoyed it.
See, that's
it. They still stunt.
Yeah.
No respect, you have nothing about to say, boy. You make a choice and your choice.
See,
we don't know the choice, so I want to make so we have something.
Yeah.
No. We got through struggle, I never want to know, because I still want to know, I never want to know. I even go question my mother and say, yo, where they do as a single mother, I don't want to know that.
You know, okay.
Something makes it nice now.
Yeah.
But the lady still straight up, man. But I can't put her down.
See that?
You know, I really have see her child, but you see, we have to respect her because she's honest. Because I hear the tears in her eye.
Yeah.
I not see them up, I hear the tears in her eye. It give me a flashback.
Yeah. Basically, I say she a reason we are laugh, but you know, but what you want people to appreciate that there is also a great amount of pain there where that woman they go through. Yeah, crazy pain.
Now I remember, you know what she said about I used to fuck her, but she can't have long until her youth more that go.
You
but
see.
But I said she knows that she will do it, and it's a fitness sale.
Yeah.
Now some people come in and them come out to stop me, you know, with the medication and thing, and them you say, you know what? Them put on the parents, them call them to the parents, them know, and the parents them for me, for them friends, them and this, because the parents them are educated, but them never know the parents them do for them reach where them at.
See, a true man, a real thing. A real thing.
People can't talk.
Yo, I want to tell you, you know. I want to tell enough time all some youth to move X against them parents, you know, and them parents will all get quiet. And I look on them and start crying, and the pity them don't even know what the parents really there. You know. Sometimes the parents them all fall back and I say, yo, if only him know, if only she know what me did go through for you, they and come across me now and I go on there. A deep thing, man. The thing deep.
But me tell them, it's success is when they come from it and have it. A man can't born in the money, man born in the money. Can't enjoy like the man who never have it and make it.
See it there.
So he can't enjoy it like the man.
See it there.
Enjoy it and make it. And then gradually start move from certain things to other things.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah.
Oh, it's set up still, you know? That's how it's set up still. But it's a blessing still.
Alright. Give me our next caller. Boom back, bang, 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 bang. How you going with the clock? No, you can't do me that. Me for see things, man. Okay. Yo, all right. How much time to the next break? How much time to the next? 3 minutes. Give me our next caller. Quick. Yes, hello?
Mr. Stewart.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, sir?
I'm doing quite well. And you?
Oh, man. I'm telling you. I've been holding 1.5 hours now.
Okay. My apologies.
Man, I'm telling you, Mr. Stewart, that's not good.
I would somebody I keep on them foolishness. I get it.
Mr. Stewart, don't do that now, man. I'm talking to you.
Yeah, okay.
Mr. Stewart.
Oh, please speak to me, sir.
Well, it's good to know that you uplift people. Let them learn.
Yeah.
And you said, what do you say your motto is? Laugh, learn, and grow.
Motto? Well, you mean where we say the motto is? Laugh, learn, and grow.
Mr. Stewart.
Yes, sir.
Is this a joke?
Oh, this is certainly not.
Listen. I heard you bring people like, what person name is like Chris Crosses, and you bring like people like Patty some patty belly people.
Every day you call and keep up your damn foolishness. All right, flip the thing right, you know. What you say?
You know what?
Man, yeah, what up the thing, man? Yeah, what up the thing,
You know
man?
the sad thing about the show?
Yeah.
The big sad thing about the show. But I don't even know. I don't even know why. Why in heavens this happening? You know what? You should try it. That's what you should do. You should try it, Mr. Stewart.
Try it. No, I'm not trying it. I'm not trying. We don't tap your damn foolishness. I'm not trying. What you say? What you say?
I'm tell you something. It's a road. Yeah. So road don't get my name. Road 1.5 hours. I'm saying now come off of the line. Because I got all this reaching for the ice.
Yeah.
This is Calabar bridge in here. I got all in this evening.
Nah, man, but
all right.
Nah, man, Stunt did a reason, and it's my call. And me I run the show, and me know who figure I run. I'm sure you know say it's a good call me make. Me know the right call of them who forget them run there. I just saw things set up.
Anyway, the man say for try it.
No, him lucky, you know. I look upon him, you know. We're not trying it.
I hear the beauty about it, but that route never know who. And every minute you call, but yeah, one time you're good looking out. I'm going to say, yeah. I'm going to hold on. I'll win tomorrow and hold on on this car, yeah.
All right.
Good looking out.
Hold on. I could hold a break and forward, yeah? All right. Yeah, man, welcome back up in nice sitting. It look like Fortis get disconnected and thing. It look like him phone popped down and sitting. Well, you know, I must have saw KC phone them still, you know. And thing, root, calm yourself. Calm your nerves, you know. KC phone them pop down. If him to go Calabar and him phone would still at work, you know. Send another caller. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah, big man.
Manners.
Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
And me cut off the call.
Are you cut off?
My phone not pop down.
Okay.
My money enough.
Okay, you sound a little bit incensed.
What I'm here?
You sound a little bit incensed there.
What I'm here, Virgin?
You sound a little bit.
Yeah, you're like a patty belly.
No, you sound a little bit like.
Carry thing down to the
you know. Are you him take out Michelle?
No, we ain't no more 40. No, we ain't no more me. We ain't no more me. What?
No man is an island.
Where's that? Repeat that again.
Yeah, repeat. Afraid you're jumping on your purple and white shell.
She said, no. I said, no man is an island.
I may say repeat what you say.
You know, you must say, you come like you say, no.
Say it again.
I said, no man is an island.
One more time.
Come on, you get yourself together.
No, man, no. You know, say, have you like Papi Show. You know, say, have you like Papi Show.
You come like them like a MPPA.
Eh? What that no?
Minister of People's Private Affairs.
With pleasure. Was that supposed to be humorous? Oh,
of
no.
Course.
You're from KC.
Of course.
So,
your man a call a KC man and say, try it.
Yeah, humor. Raga, him humor grey like the color on them tie.
Come on, man.
Hey,
yeah.
Gilbert, baby. Remember not being a come get that, you know.
Don't worry yourself. Yeah, I have a tag. Where you have?
Yeah?
Where you have?
We are 40.
Where you have? Stop living for the people them name.
We are 40.
Yeah, you my grey like the color pan on the tie.
Hey, let me tell you something. Gilbert, baby, we're not supposed to be in an argument with you. So you're just a sideline.
Right.
Don't worry about that.
Yo, if I never Calabar people wouldn't know about you.
Raga.
If I never Calabar people wouldn't know about
you. You love course, you know. I call people dirty people and just grow people. I'm not
no, but I don't say that about KC people. Though.
No. You know.
No, I will say that about the wicked people. But not about, and I will say that about them if them try for this KC too.
No, but they know they won't. They would never do that.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, so you do it, my brother.
All right. Now, you know, so I don't really have no change until. I don't really have any brown money right now, but call me back. I don't have no brown money right now.
I'm going to tell you something, you know. It's good for laugh. It's good for laugh.
Long to, hey, are we say that?
No. No. This Calabar and food.
No worry about that. No worry about that. But,
you understand?
But what you must just know is that me not try it. Not try it.
Well, I tell you, I will give Scotty that one Friday night. I will call Scotty and Scotty. I'm on call with Virgin and tell him separate. I would have run to come out.
Yeah, and Scotty laugh go again, huh?
Oh, we go again. I don't remember. I can't.
I've got to laugh. But anyway, Fortis, I reach 2 more calls before we cut here.
Bless.
Manners and respect, man. Blessings. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello. How are you there?
Me not bathroom.
Are you a bathroom or somebody else bathroom?
Supermarket bathroom. How are you?
You're in at the supermarket. Maria, so what you say?
Because I when I call the program, don't my credit card and buy none.
No worry, son. And if you want to buy credit, you just come for the credit, no?
What you say?
If you want credit, come for credit. Me have credit here for you. You know?
I know what you said.
We have credit for you, make you talk long.
I know what you said. Anyway, I have one friend, you know.
Yeah.
Likkle Farrin. Surprisingly, yesterday, the man called me. The man said, asked him to tell me when did I hide from him. So I say, why you can't hide from me? I mean, wait so long. The man said to me, say,
you don't know, so you can't say that word upon radio.
Sorry.
You can't say that word there, yeah? So yes, the man has sent money to you from foreign for a long time now, right?
Yes.
And him call and him has say, if you know where him get all the money that he send to you.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you ask him tell you say I'm a bisexual.
Yes.
So hold on now. The money where the man has sent come give you, him there foreigner selling back?
Mm-hmm.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
So how you feel about that? Say you have all that the money then, you have the posterior money then. How that going?
Let me tell you how it going on.
Yeah.
Me so surprised. Me surprised bad.
You still have take the money?
To tell you honestly, me think I'm just a come from MoneyGram still, you know.
Tambourine! What you say? You now watch not here, take the money, see him here.
Me say, well, at supermarket. Me I spend it right now.
Okay, you spend the MoneyGram money at supermarket, Jana?
Yes, me surprised, me call me tone idiot.
But how you feel now for know say a man where you are sort out with him a take man too?
Well, the sort out, he really did it, you know, the other one.
The what? The sort out what?
The sort out, he really did it, the other one.
The what?
The swiping did that one.
Oh, the swiping did that one. So you never give him the sort out, I just swipe him so.
No, he couldn't angle that part, then kind of have a problemish.
Why? He can't sit down, but he can't stand up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. But he can't sit down, but he can't stand up, but it look like him know for bend over.
Yes, in good. He one skill for that. He have doctorate in that.
Papa Jesus. They tell me something I know. You're not going to stop taking money and allow him.
I think twice, you know.
Okay.
I don't know what for the one.
You think twice. Yes, you think twice, but while you think twice, you still have a MoneyGram, though.
Well, you promised me yesterday before you tell me so.
Okay. You kill me. When you say you promise me before you tell us, you just make sure say if you hold up your side of the bargain in terms of the promise, don't it?
Yes.
I don't blame you. But anyway, so
well, when he come December, I can bring them here. Take it still, you know. So.
He might come December, but then you know, same never take the man them from him out here.
Well, inside saying just code out here different from over there, so.
The what?
In dress code.
Out here different from over there, so.
Mm-hmm.
In other words, when him out here, him a thugs.
Yeah.
And when him up, so him a Sheila.
Well, are a current something, right?
Yo, I tell you. Anyway, I don't say a word still here, but just be careful here. Just be careful, cause if you have a man, even if him is just a swiper, you just be careful, cause that sound like some type of mix-up there where you don't want to get too up.
No, me, master. But anyway, still in a more talk you on a serious level, so I don't know if I can left my number with Ruth or call back to talk to you.
Let me left your number with Ruth.
Yeah, it's a serious thing I want to talk to you about. So
Give me a hint what it is, because sometimes I'm afraid to make certain calls. So give me a hint what it is.
No, man, some education background.
Okay, all right. Yeah, man, we talk. But not a problem, yeah?
All right, my darling.
Yeah, man, all right, bless you. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Hi, Raga.
What's up?
Yeah, big of the woman was there with her son-in-law. She's Seventh-day Adventist.
The Seventh-day Adventist woman was there with her son-in-law?
Yes.
Well, on, our daughter, man?
Yeah. Come down every night to sleep with him and be a thing.
She come down every night and sleep with her daughter, man?
Yes.
Well, on, a real thing you talk her and make you make up.
Something, yeah.
This
neighbor them.
Are your neighbor them? Mm-hmm. And she a big Christian Seventh-day Adventist?
Yes, up in her church and put her back bench now. She stop her church.
Them put her back bench, why? Them find out what she do?
Yeah.
So the thing what me you know?
Yeah, everybody know about it.
Come down at night time and take her daughter, man.
Yes. I say 7 day people them stay.
No, don't, you cannot say that.
No, some of them are my neighbor to my next
say
neighbor.
Say some, but you cannot just blanket say I saw the 7th day people them say. That is like saying all Jamaican. That is like saying Jamaicans are dirty, wicked and kill one another.
Well, me not talk all of them. The one them me know.
The one them you know.
Yeah, so
okay. So then tell me something. I which ear? Just tell me the ear.
Saint Andrew.
Saint, not Lord God that. Which
ear?
Papinway. So the 7th day Adventist woman will begin at church. Come down and take. So where her daughter there?
Our daughter live with the man, but sometimes the daughter like stay up at our mother house and then the mother come down.
So when the daughter go up at the mother house, now the mother go down, they go take the daughter, man.
Yeah, and talk about say she wash him clothes and be a thing.
So, but how no sure say it really a go on?
Because I bust out one night, one big uproar, so everybody know, because the daughter come down, come catch them.
Oh, so she and the daughter get along now? Our friction did.
Yeah, then talk no. Because the mother still come around there, but I don't know if she said that do a thing.
So the man know he must sort out the daughter and the mother?
Yeah. But the man a dirty man.
A dirty man that?
Yeah.
The daughter married or just her man?
No, just her man.
Just her man?
Yeah.
Or whatever. So how you think I really a push it then? I mother or the son a push it?
What you say?
Who you think really a push it? The son or the mother? The son-in-law or the mother?
But see, I don't know. Maybe I told him, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm big up on next church, 7 days, same church, do you know? Him, every time crusade keeping give out paper say for baptize and be something and preach and him something there.
Yeah.
But yet still him there with his mother-in-law, sister. And then go catch him.
Him there with the mother-in-law, sister?
Sister, yeah.
Him there with him always try to save soul. I said, him always try to save soul.
Yeah, him always when you got church crusade, I like some month.
Yeah.
Him always give out paper and stuff. But for baptizing, I make sure you come here every day. To come sing and pray with you and say for baptize, turn over your life to the Lord and be something.
And I take him mother-in-law sister.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
And his mother-in-law never want his sister stay there because she never want nobody trouble her.
The mother-in-law never want what?
Her sister stay at the house because she never want nobody trouble her. And send sister to stay with him because to him, church brother, fees, everything I go alright.
Well, how old is his sister?
I think she's under 18. Or a young girl.
The mother-in-law sister under 18?
Yeah.
So through the mother-in-law now want the
like her
sister.
husband or
yeah, she don't want
the go trouble her.
She don't want her sister on her husband or stepson or whatever because
so
she probably know. So she send him now to our son-in-law because I'm a churchman and everything.
Yeah, because the son-in-law married to her daughter, you know.
The son-in-law married to her daughter. She send him down there so now send her down there so she be safe.
Yeah.
And then him end up
there with her. Nasty man.
Right. And this is 7th day again, right?
Yeah, same church.
Up in our popping here.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, then bless up here.
Big up yourself, yeah.
Not say a word, man. I will say mix up, you know.
All right, me call you again and give you more.
Yeah, give me more. I love when them free that way. Love when them free that way.
All right.
All right. Okay, here, give me a next caller, Richard. I last call is an idea. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings. We have about 3 minutes.
Lord of mercy, it takes so long to come to me, Raga.
Osh.
Well, that's a follow-up to the Cayman story. A real thing, Raga. A real thing.
What a real thing? What a real thing?
No, because you see, we can't get to go up under the thing, you know. and go a Cayman and just do a little thing and, you know, make a little money.
Oh, so you do it too?
Yeah.
Eh?
Well, me used to do it about 5 years now. I'm cut off right now.
Okay, so but you used to go up and go do your little hustling too?
Yeah. Then tell me to go to university. Somebody does enough to start up to pay my school fee and all that.
So while you were going to university, you go Cayman and sell a little thing there, don't it?
Well, I'm not really just selling a Reggae because we did have 4 man one time up there.
You did have...
That's my man them there.
Okay, me understand. You did have 4 man one time up there, so and you work the 4 of them to make sure, say, I know nothing free or run or anything, right?
No, because I'm married man and my husband them Reggae.
Okay.
The man them married and them don't know the situation. Them will help me with school and all of that. Pay me university school fee and all of that. Reggae, what to do?
Then tell me something now. Is this quite common that like say a young girl in a university or a step up in her life, so she ambitious and she want opportunity? Is this a common thing? So them have like several men who mind them and them get funds from them and them something there. A regular thing that...
Well, if you interview enough people are doing Reggae, enough people are doing. They may not have no people, no bag of man and them look at something about.
Right. They may not have no 20 man.
We help them.
Wait, but as long as opportunity there and them can get resources and help and whatever.
Yeah, I remember saying and every day they do it in Reggae and every day there's no a temporary situation to help you out right now.
But when you are juggling with them 4 man, each one of them man, they not know about the other one.
Yeah, man. Although the place little bit, them can't know that.
Them can't know. So each one of them
feel special.
So each of them feel special and thinks are you and them alone.
Yeah, them all feel them 1% ticket fee and them would give them things, man. One thing them would give them things.
But
would make them feel special.
But don't you end up if you tell them like when you're there running and tell them say you love them and all them things and treat them nice.
No,
and
the man them know them why we just brush off them shoes and rub down them face and look at you know if it's doing all of that but tell a love story. No, it's not about that.
Okay. So it was just a sex thing or there was some kind of relationship there with the 4 of them?
It started out, a sex thing, but it ended up in a relationship, start away. It's a kind of relationship thing. But but I get too attached and get emotional and get, because you don't know, say at the end of the day, you only have 2 years left of school and I see them 2 years. Yeah, you have your life after that.
Okay, and I just money, but the money after I run though.
Then, Reggae, me don't tell her this is not a love thing, the money must run.
Money must run though. And from the money I run though, and it a run good, what you do? You make sure so you give them some good sort out though.
Reggae, it's like, so when a semester time and all of that, so when when exam done all December, everybody gets proper sort out for New Year and then Easter again. And then they go someday, may take off a Friday and come back a Sunday, go start out, and
Okay, go deal with it and come back, make sure so they get it good. Then
you have to start them out and them don't know say school there, so they have no problem for sending on.
Alright, but let me ask you something. When you say they don't know say school in there, so they have no problem for sending on, because you don't have it figure them then, right? That's how it go.
Right. Yeah, they know say school in there, so them can't, they no pressure you.
Last question. A crisis ever reach here to y'all end up a y'all a bounce 2 or 3 now one day?
No, man. Look at me. Don't tell the man. You have to schedule them. It's like a timetable,
Oh, your schedule?
It's like a Friday.
Okay.
And everybody would send a ticket, so you tell one of them, say, start there, come. So one of them will pick you up at airport. So Friday night, you start out that one. Saturday, you just turn up at the next one face and say, surprise. And then look at something there. Everybody can know you come the same night.
Okay, so you tell one say you come Saturday, but I really from Friday you come and then you go mash
right,
work.
And you tell one say you come next week and then you did it this week and you just keep it low because a weekend thing you will go for so one weekend you also bad enough to know you did it.
And a key man you used to do your thing, no?
Yeah.